Malaika is skiing on a mountain. The graph shows her elevation in meters above the base as she skis along a trail over time. In seconds. In total, how many seconds does she spend at an elevation between 4 and 7 meters? The choices are 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's shade the horizontal band between 4 meters and 7 meters. Malaika is inside that band whenever her curve stays between the two lines. Reading the graph. The curve is inside the band during a stretch on the way down and another stretch on the way back up. Adding those time intervals gives a total of 8 seconds. So Malaika spends a total of 8 seconds between 4 and 7 meters. That is answer choice B.